Hi, babies. Oh, here's the puppies. If you're wondering what that loud noise is, Mama Mia is getting some water. Oh. Hi, sweet thing. There's our pink collar girl. Actually, she has a name already. Her name is Riley. Hi, mamas. Mia, you see your puppies? Hi, Bubba's. Oh. Hi, Mama. You're such a good mama, Mia. Yes, you are. Puppies are doing fantastic. They all did great throughout the night. We weighed them this morning. Every single puppy gained weight, which for those of you that have been along this journey with us for a while, you know that that's what we do. One, it ensures all puppies are eating. Hey, baby. It ensures all puppies are eating. It ensures puppies are not getting dehydrated, which is so important, especially at this age. We will weigh them every day until they go home to their families. They have their first vet appointment on Tuesday. All right, I just wanted to hop on real quick, show the pups. Mama's doing a fantastic job taking care of them, as you can see. Most of these already have a home. We have 4 males available, 2 yellow males and 2 black males. The rest are spoken for. All right, guys, hope everyone is having a great Sunday, and we will see you all soon.